Hello LEGO fans, this is the top 10 LEGO sets of the week. Hello LEGO fans, this the Halloween Hayride, 40,423. Have fun at the Halloween Hayride, 40,423, with this awesome LEGO iconic building toy for kids. Youngsters can create a festive scene including a buildable entrance arch, vintage tractor, hay cart and lots of decorative details. The set features 2 minifigures with Halloween costume decoration and a skeleton figure for creative role play. An awesome gift idea for ages 7 and up, it also makes a fun, little display piece at a Halloween party. Get in the festive mood with this LEGO iconic Halloween Hayride playset for kids, featuring a buildable entrance arch, vintage tractor, hay cart, smiling skeleton figure and fun Halloween decorations and accessories. A terrific gift idea for ages 7 and up. This 147-piece set includes 2 minifigures, a tractor driver dressed up as a funny mummy and a girl with skeleton costume decoration for Halloween party role play fun. The pumpkin entrance arch measures over 5 inch, 13 centimeters, high and 3 inch, 10 centimeters, wide. Together with the tractor, minifigures, and accessories, it makes a cute display piece and the set easily fits in a bag ready for play on the go. Thanks for watching and see you soon. Hello LEGO fans, this LEGO Architecture White House model, 21,054. You're busy. It feels like you are always on the go. So when you do get some free time, you like to recharge your batteries by focusing on a fun, creative challenge. That's what building the White House with LEGO bricks is all about. Revel in the details. With this hands-on, minds-on craft project, you'll recreate details from the neoclassical columns of the President's executive residence and colonnades connecting the east and west wings to the surrounding gardens and fountain. This LEGO Architecture White House model, 21,054, can be divided into 3 sections for closer inspection and includes a LEGO brick inscribed the White House to complete an inspiring display piece. LEGO sets for your lifestyle. Escape the daily grind and click your stress away creating this stylish model that will look great in your home or office. Part of a collection of LEGO building sets for adults interested in art, design, architecture, and pop culture, it makes the best gift for you or the hobbyist in your life. This LEGO Architecture display model of the White House, 21,054, beautifully captures the neoclassical design and splendor of this world-famous residence occupied by every United States president since 1800. Enjoy this LEGO building set for adults, featuring details like the executive residence, west wing, east wing, and connecting colonnades of the White House, plus the Rose Garden and Jacqueline Kennedy Garden. The model can easily be divided into 3 sections for closer inspection of the architectural details. It also has a LEGO brick inscribed the White House to complete a conversation-starting display piece. If you've been to or dream of visiting the White House, 1600, Pennsylvania Avenue, Washington, D.C., Oregon, you just love travel, architecture, history, and design, this is the creative building kit for you. Measuring 4 in, 11 centimeters, high, 18 in, 47 centimeters, wide and 7 in, 20 centimeters, deep. This buildable LEGO architecture model is a super display item for your home or office. It also makes the best gift for creative friends. No batteries required. This stylish DIY project is all about recreating the White House with LEGO bricks and immersing yourself in a focused activity that leaves you feeling relaxed and refreshed when you're finished. Includes clear instructions so even LEGO newcomers can build with confidence, plus a coffee table style booklet telling the White House story, English language only. Download other languages at lego.com/architecture. This construction set for adults is part of a collection of inspiring LEGO model kits designed for you, the discerning hobbyist, as you look for your next creative project. Hello LEGO fans, this LEGO Friends Advent Calendar, 41,420. Make the Christmas countdown even more exciting with the LEGO Registered Friends Advent Calendar, 41,420. Kids will find a new buildable surprise hiding behind each door. The calendar is filled with super cute Christmas characters, all of which belong to 3 themes: Emma's Room, Santa's Toy Workshop and a Winter Wonderland. As kids open the doors, they will progress through each setting, adding to the feeling of excitement. Play or display. Kids can decorate their rooms with the models, which include a LEGO Friends Mrs. Claus and 2 elf mini doll figures, or play with the items together to make for a more creative narrative play. There are also action features, such as a fun snowball launching catapult and a toy skateboard that rolls. 24 festive LEGO Friends moments. The fun toys are simple to build and come with clear instructions, so kids aged 6+ can construct the gifts quickly and get on with the creative play. Introduce kids to Heart Lake City, a place of great friendships and very Merry Christmases. Make the countdown to Christmas even more exciting with the LEGO Friends Advent Calendar, 41,420. Each door reveals a new gift for kids to build. Each model makes for a great decoration, or all 24 can be played with together. Kids Advent Calendar comes with a LEGO Friends Emma, Mrs. Claus, and 2 elf mini doll figures, as well as a buildable toy penguin and a host of other cool buildable festive treats. Some models also come with fun, dynamic features. Not only can kids use these models as decorations, but kids can also play with each fun toy as part of a narrative theme: LEGO Friends Emma's Room, Santa's Workshop, and a Winter Wonderland, to help spark creative play. 236-piece set makes a great pre-Christmas present for kids who want their fun advent calendar to give more than a fleeting moment of joy. The simple builds are perfect for youngsters aged 6+ to construct independently. The box measures over 9 inch, 25 centimeters, high, 14 inch, 37 centimeters, wide and 2 inch, 6 centimeters, deep, and stands securely when displayed. Kids can add the Christmas magic to other LEGO models they own because the awesome toys are compatible with all LEGO sets. Thanks for watching and see you soon. Hello LEGO fans, this LEGO Star Wars Mos Eisley Cantina, 75,290, construction model for display. Enjoy quality me time and relive iconic Star Wars, A New Hope moments with the awesome LEGO Star Wars Mos Eisley Cantina, 75,290, construction model for display. This 3,187-piece Master Builder Series set features the Cantina with lots of authentic details to delight fans, plus attachable buildings to recreate a Mos Eisley city scene. Build and display. This immersive build is a great way to relax and reconnect with your Star Wars passion. A Dubak LEGO figure and 2 land speeders complete a wonderful display piece. Bring your Tatooine scene to life with 20 LEGO minifigures, including Luke Skywalker, Han Solo, and C-3PO, new for October 2020, Ponda Baba, Garindon, and Labria, plus an R2-D2 LEGO droid figure. Your next DIY project. This building kit comes with clear instructions so you can enjoy every step of the hands-on DIY experience. One of a huge variety of LEGO Star Wars sets, this building set for adults makes a super gift for yourself, Star Wars fans and hobbyists in your life. Immerse yourself in a challenging build and then recreate classic Star Wars, A New Hope scenes with this highly detailed LEGO Star Wars Mos Eisley Cantina, 75,290. Master Builder Series display model. This building kit features 20 LEGO minifigures, including Chewbacca, Obi-Wan Kenobi, Ponda Baba, Garindon, and Labria, plus an R2-D2 LEGO droid figure and a Dubak LEGO figure to bring the Tatooine Tavern to life. The Cantina has a removable roof for easy access to the different booths so you can explore the many authentic details and play out stories with the heroes and an array of smugglers, bounty hunters, and aliens. The perfect way to click your stress away, this 3,187-piece Star Wars construction kit makes a wonderful treat for yourself and a special birthday or holiday gift for the Star Wars fan or hobbyist in your life. The buildable Mos Eisley Cantina model measures over 7.5 inch, 19 centimeters, high, 20.5 inch, 52 centimeters, wide, and 23 inch, 58 centimeters, deep when opened up. A Alongside the attachable buildings and 2 land speeders, it makes an awesome display piece. No batteries required. This set offers a hands-on, mindful building experience with Lego bricks only. So give yourself a well-earned break and enjoy recreating an iconic Star Wars location. Includes easy-to-follow instructions so even Lego newcomers can build confidently, plus an illustrated booklet about the set, its model designer and the Star Wars stories that inspired it. This Lego Star Wars set for adults is part of a collection of inspiring Lego building kits designed for you, the discerning hobbyist, as you look for your next fun and creative DIY project. Ever since 1958, Lego building bricks have met the highest industry standards, which ensures they are consistent, compatible, and connect and pull apart easily every time. No need to use the force. Lego bricks and pieces are rigorously tested and analyzed so that all Star Wars construction sets meet the highest safety and quality standards on planet Earth, and in every galaxy. Cast of characters. The set Hello LEGO fans, this LEGO Marvel Avengers Iron Man Hulkbuster vs A.I.M Agent, 76,164. Young superheroes roleplay big battle scenes with the awesome LEGO Marvel Avengers Iron Man Hulkbuster vs A.I.M Agent, 76,164. Playset. Kids use the posable Hulkbuster to fight evil attackers. There's authentic Marvel action when kids place an Iron Man minifigure inside the Mega Hulkbuster armor to battle two enemy agents. The bad guys have weapons and one of them has a jetpack. The Hulkbuster armor has movable limbs and, for extra firepower, kids can put the rescue minifigure in the built-in shooter turret. Cool LEGO Avengers toys and superhero minifigures. With collectible vehicles, meshes, buildings, minifigures, weapons, and gadgets, LEGO Marvel Avengers building toys let kids recreate the best scenes from their favorite Marvel movies and open up a thrilling universe of imaginative superhero roleplay. There's imaginative play on a big scale when young superheroes roleplay battle adventures with the LEGO Marvel Avengers Iron Man Hulkbuster vs A.I.M Agent, 76,164. Playset, with its movable limbs and cool features. Includes 4 minifigures, Iron Man, Rescue, and 2 A.I.M Agent soldiers, and a large-sized, posable Hulkbuster. With cool weapons and a jetpack, the scene is set for an epic battle. Kids place Iron Man inside the Hulkbuster armor and put Rescue into the built-in shooter turret to take on the armed bad guys and save the city. Marvel movie fans and any young superhero aged 8 and up will enjoy endless imaginative adventures with this awesome Hulkbuster set, one of the most popular Iron Man armors. The outstretched Hulkbuster measures over 6 inch, 16 centimeters, tall and 7 inch, 20 centimeters, wide. With posable limbs, this mighty fighting machine can go anywhere and take on any villains that dare to get in its way. This Hulkbuster playset doesn't need batteries. Battery-free toys stimulate creative thinking, imaginative role-play and problem-solving skills as kids explore hands-on play straight from the box. Easy-to-follow instructions ensure kids can open the box and begin building, playing and getting creative immediately. LEGO Marvel Avengers playsets include collectible minifigures, toy vehicles, weapons, and gadgets that put Marvel movie action right into the hands of young superhero fans. Thanks for watching and see you soon. Hello LEGO fans, this LEGO City Advent Calendar, 60,268. Bursting with festive fun, this awesome LEGO City Advent Calendar, 60,268, is guaranteed to bring Christmas joy to boys, girls, and fans of the LEGO City Adventures TV series. As well as seasonal mini-builds in a snowy city playmat, where they can build their own Christmas scenes. Kids also get 6 LEGO City TV character minifigures, including Duke Titane, Carl Hubs, Freya McLeod, Rookie Partner, Daisy Kaboom, the Christ Massey Chief Wheeler complete with Santa costume. Fun and easy to build. This LEGO City Advent Calendar makes a great gift for children aged 5 and up. Each build comes with easy to follow building instructions ensuring that even knowing LEGO builders City Advent Calendar, 60,268, is a great introduction to the exciting world of LEGO City and the LEGO City Adventures TV series. Kids aged 5 and up can enjoy fun, imaginative play throughout the holiday season. Comes with 24 gifts, including Christmas tree and Santa's sleigh miniature builds, 6 LEGO City Adventures TV series minifigures, including Chief Wheeler with Santa costume, plus a city playmat with snow-cleared roads. Kids can count down to the big day with this LEGO City Advent Calendar, containing festive builds, LEGO City TV series minifigure characters in a snowy city playmat where they build their own Christ Massey adventures. Looking for a cool gift for kids aged 5 years and up? This Advent Calendar is ideal for fans of the LEGO City Adventures TV series, and kids who love creative play. Requires only very basic building skills. The LEGO City Advent Calendar measures over 2 inch, 7 centimeters, high, 14 inch, 38 centimeters, long and 10 inch, 26 centimeters, wide. No need for batteries. The buildable LEGO toys and characters contained in this Advent Calendar are powered by little kids with big imaginations, so the festive fun can start right away. This LEGO City Advent Calendar includes easy-to-follow building instructions to ensure that even budding LEGO builders can enjoy a fun and independent build and play experience. Festive LEGO City Advent sets come with colorful miniature builds and fun characters that stimulate imaginative role play, helping kids develop physical and creative skills. Thanks for watching and see you soon. Hello LEGO fans, this is LEGO set model of Old Trafford, 10,272. Manchester United fans will love building this big LEGO set model of Old Trafford, 10,272, to show their allegiance to one of the world's most famous football clubs. The building set for this LEGO football stadium provides a fun challenge to create a spectacular showpiece model. The ultimate Manchester United gift. Manchester United fans can show off this Old Trafford replica at home or the office. New for February 2020, this LEGO registered creator sports set coincides with the stadium's 110th anniversary. This building kit for adults features several evocative details including the players' tunnel and the statue of the United Trinity. Bring to life your passions with advanced LEGO sets. LEGO Creator Expert advanced building sets allow adults to construct models based on some of their biggest passions, including cars, buildings, and stadiums. Once the challenging and fun building experience is complete, these collector models from building bricks make an eye-catching display at home or the office. A spectacular building set for adults to create a detailed model of Old Trafford. The perfect Manchester United gift for fans who want to show their undying support by displaying this LEGO football stadium. A building kit of a 1:600 replica model of Old Trafford. This LEGO football stadium provides a fun and rewarding project and allows fans to relive their cherished memories of Manchester United with this detailed model. The first opportunity to construct a replica of Manchester United's Old Trafford from building bricks. The LEGO football stadium makes for a stunning showpiece at home or the office. This 3,898-piece big LEGO football set for adults makes for a unique Manchester United gift. It offers escapism for builders with a long and satisfying project, and the chance to show their passion for their club. The Old Trafford Manchester United LEGO football stadium measures 6.5 inch, 18.5 centimeters, high, 18 inch, 47 centimeters, long and 15 inch, 39 centimeters, wide. The perfect size to feature authentic details including the players' tunnel and a statue of Sir Alex Ferguson. No batteries required for this advanced building set, so the final whistle will never blow at this LEGO football stadium. This LEGO set provides the ultimate building experience, and for you to be guided through the rewarding process with easy-to-follow, step-by-step instructions. LEGO Creator Expert Model advanced building sets allow adults to indulge in challenging projects to create collector toys based on some of their biggest passions including cars, buildings, and stadiums. Thanks for watching and see you soon.
crossing came off Worthington. Yes, for Manchester United! And Alex Ferguson can't contain himself. Here he comes. Oh my word! Can you believe the genius of this man?
Oh, here's Rashford. Rashford latches it in, and Manchester United lead.
There's Rooney. Open kick. Oh my word! That's amazing! That's sensational!
Cantina. Oh, back to his best.
Hello LEGO fans, this magical LEGO Harry Potter Advent Calendar. Celebrate Christmas in the Wizarding World with this magical LEGO Harry Potter Advent Calendar, 75,981. Behind each of the 24 doors is a different toy or figure from the Harry Potter series. As the big day gets closer, kids can recreate Hogwarts trademark holiday scenes, including the amazing Yule Ball, LEGO Harry Potter and the Goblet of Fire sets. Kids can combine the 24 Advent Calendar gifts to recreate favorite scenes from the Harry Potter movies and role-play stories and adventures of their own. The calendar contains minifigures, including Harry Potter, Hermione Granger, Ron Weasley trademark, Padma Patil, Parvati Patil and Cho Chang, and buildable models, such as a miniature Bose Batons carriage and a dining table with ice castle centerpiece. Cool collectible building toys. The extensive range of LEGO Harry Potter models and playsets provide fans of the series with endless imaginative fun and creative display possibilities. Give LEGO Harry Potter fans a magical build-up to Christmas with the Toy-A-Day LEGO Harry Potter Advent Calendar, 75,981. Behind each of the 24 doors is a different Harry Potter toy to build, play with and display. Includes Harry Potter, Hermione Granger, Ron Weasley, Padma Patil, Parvati Patil, and Cho Chang minifigures, plus buildable models such as a miniature Bose Batons carriage and dining table with ice castle centerpiece. As the big day gets closer, kids can recreate Hogwarts holiday scenes, including the amazing Yule Ball. This magical, festive calendar is a perfect pre-Christmas gift for kids aged 7 and up, with 24 days of surprises and imaginative Harry Potter fun that lasts all year long. The 24 Harry Potter gifts found within this special holiday calendar can be built together with all other original LEGO sets and LEGO bricks for endless creative building. No batteries required. This set of 24 mini-builds offers hands-on, imaginative play that never runs out. Packed with many cool Harry Potter toys to inspire imaginative play through Christmas and beyond. LEGO Harry Potter sets contain favorite characters, amazing features, and familiar locations from the popular movies. They make ideal gifts for anyone wanting to recreate the movie magic. Thanks for watching and see you soon. Hello LEGO fans, this 2020 LEGO Star Wars Advent Calendar, 75,279. Kids can wake up to a gift every day in the run-up to Christmas with the 2020 LEGO Star Wars Advent Calendar, 75,279, holiday building set. Behind each of the 24 doors is a Star Wars LEGO minifigure, LEGO figure, buildable starship, vehicle, or location. Also, look out for a code to unlock Star Wars, the Skywalker Saga game content. Quick builds, unlimited creative fun. There are 6 LEGO minifigures and 6 LEGO figures to discover, such as Darth Vader with Christmas sweater decoration and Dio with a festive hat, plus a fold-out playmat with an image of the Millennium Falcon with Christmas lights to inspire creative play. The 12 mini-builds in this holiday calendar include Anakin's Pod Racer, a Republic cruiser and Darth Vader's castle. Great gift ideas since 1999. the LEGO Group has been recreating iconic starships, vehicles, locations, and characters from the legendary Star Wars universe. LEGO Star Wars building toys are hugely popular, with fun Christmas gift ideas for kids and fans of all ages. Build Christmas joy with the LEGO Star Wars Advent Calendar, 75,279, featuring buildable characters, vehicles, and locations behind each door. There is also a code to unlock Star Wars, the Skywalker Saga game content. Includes 6 LEGO minifigures and 6 LEGO figures, such as Poe Dameron and Darth Vader with Christmas sweater decorations and Tauntaun with a red nose, plus a fold-out playmat with a Millennium Falcon image for roleplay. There are also 12 mini-build toys including the Millennium Falcon, an A-Wing, TIE Fighter, X-Wing, droid control ship, Anakin's pod racer, and Darth Vader's castle to spark kids' imaginations in the run-up to Christmas. This 311-piece Advent Calendar building set makes a fun Christmas holiday gift for kids aged 7 and up, and the characters and construction models can be used with other LEGO Star Wars sets for even more creative play. No batteries required, so their galactic adventures never stop. Is your youngster a LEGO newbie? Don't worry. There is a drawing showing the bricks for each mini-build in this Star Wars Christmas Advent Calendar to guide them, so they can build with the confidence of a true Jedi. LEGO Star Wars building toys are awesome for kids and adult fans to recreate scenes from the saga, dream up original stories, or just build and display the awesome construction models. No need to use the Force to connect or pull apart LEGO bricks. Ever since 1958, they have met the highest industry standards to ensure that they fit together perfectly and with ease. LEGO bricks and pieces are tested in almost every way imaginable, so you can be sure that this Christmas Advent Calendar meets the highest safety and quality standards on planet Earth, and in galaxies far, far away. Thanks for watching and see you soon. LEGO City Ocean Exploration Base, 60,265, Playset Review. Who love the sea and its wildlife will love this LEGO City Ocean Exploration Base, 60,265, Playset. There's lots of fun to be had exploring the coral-covered ocean or chilling out inside the base with its interchangeable living and research modules. And with a cool toy crane, docking submarine and underwater drone, plus shark and stingray figures and a 5-strong team of explorer minifigures, there's plenty of excitement for kids to discover. An immersive building experience. You will find easy-to-follow building instructions for this 5+ LEGO City toy in the box. Or you hop online and download Instructions Plus, part of the LEGO Building Instructions app for smartphones and tablets. This interactive building guide, with amazing zoom and rotate viewing tools, quickly turns budding LEGO builders into master builders. Cool exploration toy for kids. LEGO City is proud to support the work of National Geographic explorers. And with feature-rich buildings, cool vehicles, and fun characters, our ocean playsets inspire realistic play scenarios for budding explorers. Kids can dive deep into imaginative underwater adventures with this amazing LEGO City, 60,265, Ocean Exploration Base playset. It has all kids need for a fun and rewarding play experience. What's in the box? A toy ocean exploration base with interchangeable living and research modules, plus a docking submarine, underwater drone, 5 researcher minifigures and shark and stingray figures. The LEGO Registered City Ocean Exploration Base features interchangeable living and research modules and a docking submarine with movable inspection arms, spinning propeller, and opening cockpit with room for 2 minifigures. Looking for cool toys for kids aged 5+? This playset makes a great Christmas, birthday, or any other day present for LEGO City fans and kids who love to roleplay. Requires only very basic building skills. When built, the exploration base measures over 20 centimeters high, 27 centimeters wide and 15 centimeters deep, while the underwater drone measures over 3 centimeters high, 6 centimeters long and 3 centimeters wide. Does it need batteries? No, this construction set is powered by small kids with big imaginations. Simply open the bags of LEGO bricks and the play can start right away. This building set comes with a printed building guide and Instructions Plus, an interactive construction guide for budding builders. Available as part of the free LEGO Building Instructions app for smart devices. Hello everyone, welcome to your channel. If you want to see more videos from Most Gifted, then please subscribe and ring the bell, so you do not miss any new video in the future.